This week, AI crossed a line. I typed a sentence, and a fully playable 3D world appeared on my PC. Another model edits photos in 4 seconds. One turns a single image into a full 360-degree world. Another stabilizes AI worlds so they don't fall apart over time. We're seeing an open-source ElevenLabs-Level text-to-speech system, animating 3D characters straight from text, and watching robots learn real-world tasks before they move. This isn't coming soon, AI. This is happening right now. You're watching WhatsNextAI. Let's dive in. Flux2 Klein from Black Forest Labs is an open-source image model that turns text prompts into finished images in under 1 second. These new 4B and 9B models generate images and edits almost instantly on a decent GPU. In the free online playground, I typed a simple prompt, and the image appeared immediately. Change the dog's breed, switch the background. Each edit refreshes in real time. It genuinely feels like Blink, and it's done. If you want to run it yourself, the installation code is already available on GitHub. Waypoint 1 from Overworld is a playable dream machine that runs directly on your gaming PC. You type a scene, hit start, and you're instantly walking through an AI-generated world using mouse and keyboard. Type a new scene, and within seconds, a completely fresh world spins up. The video quality isn't great yet, but it already feels like a new way to sketch game ideas or interactive stories without touching a traditional engine. The smaller Waypoint 1 model is already available, with installation code on GitHub and Hugging Face. 360 Anything turns regular videos into full 360-degree worlds you can look around inside. You start with one forward-facing clip, and it fills in everything behind you, above you, and to the sides as a smooth, panoramic scene. Give it a quick walkthrough of a room, and it rebuilds missing walls and corners, so you're suddenly flying through the space like a virtual tour. It even works with single photos, stretching them into full 360-degree views that still feel grounded and upright. It is a research project for now, with the code marked as coming soon on GitHub. Qwen3 TTS from Alibaba is a full voice lab for creators. First is voice design. You describe how the voice should act. Things like age control.
Blah, blah, blah. We're all very fascinated, Whitey, but we'd like to get paid.
Or a gradual emotional ramp across one sentence.
Okay, yeah. I resent you. I love you. I respect you. But you know what? You blew it. And thanks to you.
Next is timbre control. You keep the same speaker, but instantly switch styles. Sad, whispered, or ultra-slow storyteller.
She said she would be here by noon. She said she would be here by noon. She said she would be here by noon.
It also supports 10 languages.
我是一个特别善于观察别人情绪的人。
明日のプレゼン資料まだ完成してない。
야, 오늘 점심에 뭐 먹을지 생각해봤어?
So the same character can speak across languages without losing its identity. On top of that, you get voice cloning and cross-lingual cloning.
In short, we embarked on a mission to make America great again. 要約すれば全米国民のためにアメリカを再興するという使命を
Just a few seconds of audio is enough to reuse the same voice in multiple languages. You can try all of this in the online demo. Add your text, pick a language, then describe the voice. For example, speak in an incredulous tone with a hint of panic starting to creep in. Hit generate.
It's in the top drawer. Wait, it's empty? No way, that's impossible. I'm sure I put it there.
And the result sounds genuinely directed. You can also experiment with voice clone and predefined speakers. The entire Qwen3 TTS family is open source, with installation code available on GitHub. StableWorld is a stabilizer for AI-generated worlds, so they don't slowly melt or fall apart. In the original version, things start clean, but over time, buildings wobble, objects warp, and the scene begins to collapse. Turn StableWorld on, and the same world stays sharp and steady, even as you swing the camera around and spam new actions. Over longer runs, characters, roads, and skylines stay consistent instead of dissolving into noise. The result feels more like a persistent game and less like a glitchy dream. The code is marked as coming soon on the GitHub repo. Stay tuned. Now watch this. ActionMesh from Meta turns video, images, 3D models, or even text prompts into fully animated 3D meshes you can spin around in real time. Start with a plain video, and it reconstructs the performer as a moving 3D mesh. Give it a 3D model and a short prompt like casually walking, and the asset moves exactly as described. Start with just one image and a caption, and it pulls the character out of the picture and drives a full 3D animation. From pure text, it invents both the character and the motion in 3D space. It can even copy motion from one clip and replay it on completely different characters. Let's try it out on its live demo. Upload a short video or images, keep the default settings, and hit generate. You get a clean, rig-free animated mesh you can orbit and drop straight into your 3D scene. The installation code is already live on GitHub. Shaper from Meta is like giving your AR headset X-ray vision for everyday spaces. You walk around a room with a camera, and it pulls out clean 3D meshes of each object with the correct size and placement. Not a noisy point cloud, but solid, usable geometry. You can drop them straight into a game or mixed reality scene. Instead of needing a studio scan, Shaper works through clutter, occlusions, and shaky slam data, then rebuilds chairs, desks, and plants as clean 3D shapes. The wild part is that it's trained on synthetic data, yet still holds up on real phone footage. The installation code is already live on GitHub for anyone to try. CoDance lets still characters dance together as if they're in the same scene, from just one pose sequence. Start with a single pose clip, and suddenly, a whole squad of game avatars moves in sync, even though they began in completely different positions. It does the same for cartoon characters, keeping everyone on beat without breaking their style. Then it flips between celebrities and stylized characters, all copying the same choreography while staying perfectly on model. Finally, you get full multi-character music videos, long shots where nobody drifts or glitches out. On the comparison grid, other methods drop or distort characters, while CoDance keeps the entire crew aligned and in frame. The paper is live now, with code and weights listed as coming soon. This one's different. OmniTransfer is a universal video copier that transfers the feel of one clip onto another. Start with a single still image, and it inherits lightning or smoke from a reference video, turning it into a fully animated VFX shot. Take a flat character photo, transfer motion from a dance or walking clip, and it suddenly moves smoothly with no keyframes. Camera moves like push-ins. Pans and arcs are copied from cinematic shots and applied to different scenes like pro-level cinematography. It can even transfer a person's identity and overall style onto a new video without breaking the motion. It is a research framework built on Qwen 2.1. The GitHub repo is live, but the full training code is not open yet. Next up, Pocket TTS from Qwen3 is like having a studio-grade narrator running directly on your laptop. It's a tiny open model, just 100 million parameters, and it runs on CPU, no GPU required. In the online demo, you type a line, pick a preset voice, and hit play.
Do I sound famous yet, or just very confused?
Someone's hearing this voice, but it's not who you think.
Today is a good day, and this AI voice is smiling with me.
It talks back in smooth, natural English. No cloud account, no credits. In their tests on a standard laptop, Pocket TTS and Kokoro are the only models that run in real time on CPU. After installation, you can also experiment with voice cloning using the code on GitHub. NovaSR is a magic sharpener for blurry audio, just like an image upscaler but for sound. Drop in a low-quality clip,
an undertaker's helper who collected the coffins of little...
Hit the button and it comes back sounding much clearer with sharper voice detail.
An undertaker's helper who collected the coffins of little...
What really stands out is how tiny the model is. It's only about 52 kilobytes, yet it can run thousands of times faster than real time. Despite its size, it sounds close to much larger audio upscalers. Installation is a single pip command from GitHub. Try it now. Humanoid robots are entering the real world faster than expected. The dream of never doing household chores again is getting very real. X's humanoid robot NEO just received a major AI upgrade. It can now handle household tasks it was never explicitly trained for, packing lunchboxes, operating toilet seats, steaming clothes, simply from voice or text commands. Before acting, NEO visualizes each step, adapts to extreme lighting and obstacles, and uses large-scale video learning to understand real-world physics. Meanwhile, in China, the country's first humanoid AI traffic police robot is already on duty. Deployed in Wuhu City, Anhui Province, it works 24/7 directing traffic with human-like gestures. Equipped with cameras and sensors, the robot improves road safety while highlighting China's push toward AI-powered public services. That's This Week in AI. All the links are below. Comment which tool you're trying first. This is What's Next AI. See you in the next one.